This is a quick overview on how to use your Gooseneck Stand with your iPad. First step is to loosen the C-clamp and position it over a solid surface, and then tighten it securely. If you bend the gooseneck into an S shape, what you want is the platform that's going to hold the iPad to be parallel above the desk surface, as shown here. This will work better if you hold your iPad up so that the home button is at the top and the dock is at the bottom. This positions the camera on the back in the best place. Then simply rest the iPad on the platform. You may have to loosen the clips and move them out of the way, but the gooseneck is strong enough to hold it. If it's just simply resting there, you do not have to clamp it in securely. Now you can connect to your display in your classroom with the screen mirroring controls, or connect to Zoom on your Mac to share the screen that way. Your artwork goes beneath the iPad onto the surface, and you can open the camera app. Everything that you're seeing on the iPad display will be projected to your AirPlay display or shared on your Zoom setting. So you can reposition the artwork. You can pinch and spread your fingers on the screen to zoom in or out. And it doesn't have to be flat artwork. It could be anything you put beneath the camera will show up. If you're using Zoom when you are connected to an iMac or to a MacBook, follow this same settings. If you're Zooming from the iPad itself, joining the meeting from the iPad, you do not need to use the camera app. Just simply switch in Zoom to the rear camera, and everything you see on your iPad display will be shown to your participants.